Miley?
I had a nice white hat, like a nice white wool hat that was given to me as a birthday gift. And I got rid of it ages ago because I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it at the time. I regret it so much. Because it looked good. It looked good and I didn't appreciate it because not a lot of things look good on me. Or the way that I want them to, at least. It just wasn't my style at the time, but now it's 100% my style. It has been. And it has been ever since I got rid of it. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go eat something. Yeah.
My phone's in a very dangerous place right now. I can't believe it's not falling. Like, it's so weird that it's staying there. Anyway, yeah, let's talk while I straighten my hair. Oh. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna straighten my hair and then I'm gonna clean my room because last night I took all of my clothes out of my wardrobe because I couldn't sleep. I was in one of those weird moods where I was like, I have to see all of my clothes. I have to see all of them. You know, I have to see what I own and what I like, what I don't like, what I wear, what I never wear. Just one of those clothes sorting moods. Because you know, whenever you're like depressed, right? What brings you out of it is a change. Something needs to change. And that's why people like dye their hair and shit, because something needs to change so that you can move forward. You don't even know what you're moving forward from, you just know that something needs to change. And I've got my fucking clothes everywhere because apparently that's a problem. And the clothes were a problem? Question mark? I don't know. I know what the problem is, and sorting my clothes won't solve it, but at least it will feel as though I accomplished something. Oh my god. I have not got out of my bed in a few days because I had a shower, but I didn't want the shower, and just the idea of having a shower just felt like so fucking much. So I didn't do anything. Instead, I just lay there. And then today, I went for a shower, and guess what, bitch? The shower wasn't working. So I had to run a bath, and there was no hot water, so I had a very cold, gross bath. I don't feel as though I rinsed everything out of my hair because it was cold water. I wanted to, like, be done as fast as possible. I didn't want to keep having to run cold water over my head. The, tray thing and everything sat on it kept falling over, and water got all over the bathroom because I had it was not my fault, by the way. It was like in the sink and it like slipped to the side because sinks are curved, and well, it was like 2 liters of water went fucking everywhere, but it's fine. And then on the way out, I had fucking put a fucking in there drying, and it was like nothing was good. Nothing, like, I should have put it off. I should have put off showering for another day, you know. Maybe it shouldn't have been today. I'm becoming like obsessed with the Olsen twins because we like share a body type, and like look to them for like fashion, like what to wear. But I hate everything they wear. Like, it's good for them, but I wouldn't wear it. I don't live in New York. I'm not standing outside smoking every day. And they have each other. I feel like they can wear weird things and do weird things because they always have each other. And that's very sweet. So, I don't like my hair. But that's what we're working with, I guess. I really need some curling tongs. Those little mini ones. God, I want them so fucking bad. I can't keep doing this with straighteners. It's fucking me up. It's not consistent. And it usually looks pretty bad. Stop saying fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Okay, so this is bad visual storytelling because I didn't film going out. But I went to the store and guess what? I'm back. So I'm going to like clean my fucking room now. I don't want to clean my room. I literally did all of that just to go to the store for fucking 10 minutes. I showered. I did my hair. I mean, it's flat now, but I did my hair. I didn't do it good. Put on my rings, got dressed, etc. Just to buy a pumpkin and an energy drink. I bought a pumpkin. Did I say I bought a pumpkin? I don't remember saying I bought a pumpkin. But I bought a pumpkin because I had a dream that told me I had to buy a pumpkin. And because, okay, I went to sleep thinking about buying a pumpkin. And then I bought a pumpkin. What can I say? I had to ask my mom for £1 for an energy drink. Hey, can I borrow £1? One doll hair, please. A single one. I'm poor because I spent my last remaining money on a pumpkin because my dream told me to. I have no regrets. Well, you're always going to be relying. That's a real bad angle on my ass. Don't look at my... a stand to set my phone on, but I can't find one. So, I don't know, live with it. So, I've got all my clothes here. Here. In a big fucking pile. And I'm just going to take them all out. I'm going to put the ones that I like back in. The clothes that I wear. The clothes that I would consider wearing. The clothes that are good colors for my skin tone. The clothes that are good for my body type. And even if the clothes that... I don't know, because half of those clothes I don't even like. Like there's a silver, this top here. And I know it will look good on me. I don't like wearing it because last time I wore it, I was fat and it like dug into my arm a little bit and it made me self-conscious and I have not worn it since. Does this mean I'm gonna have to fucking try on all of my fucking clothes? That's so much more effort.
Recycled material.
45 minutes. This top makes me feel like a little kid because it's like scratchy material. And the two sleeves. You know, when you were a kid and you how to wear something with like scratchy material and you're like, ah, this hurts. And your mom's like, you're wearing it. And you're like, no, but it's scratchy. That's what it makes me feel like a 6-year-old at a Christmas party. Such a fucking bad. Why do I keep showing that angle? It's horrible. Right? Something's not right here. Should it be shorter or should it be cropped? Should it be tighter? Is it too big? But the sleeves are kind of too small. Or fuck.
Some dark denim or like a skirt, like a black skirt. Too bad I don't have any of that. I don't know.
But I don't want to get rid of it because what if I have a Christmas party I have to go to where where I need to dress like a 6-year-old. That's what it's for, right? There's something, it needs, even though there's a pattern on it, I think the fact that it's just plain from top to bottom, other than the detail here, makes it look bad. I think it needs some kind of detailing, or what's it called, like panels. Yeah, it needs paneling, at least in the boob area. Something separating this from the rest of this plainness, or at least like down here, it needs something. This top. Like, ugh.
So obviously it's meant to be worn with something high-waisted. Not these. Honestly, these are the most unflattering bottoms I could have chosen to do this with. But whatever. I digress. I don't even know what that means. Don't look at my stomach. Just don't look at it. I don't know. I don't know about any of these choices. I'm opening this door. That looks awful. Don't look behind me. This is flattering. I'm gonna delete this whole fucking thing. Oh. I just got so exhausted just thinking about getting dressed. And that's all that I'm doing here is I'm getting dressed. I'm putting on clothes. The idea is more exhausting than the activity. This is choking me. I mean, yeah, whatever, it's nice. It kind of makes my skin look a little green. I know colors don't suit me whenever they make my skin look green. If that makes sense. I'm looking a little green. What do I wear with these? What do I wear with this singular top? Like, let's say I'm going somewhere. I'm going to a friend's house. To watch a movie. So we got this top. And what? What do I put on the bottom? Because once again, I'm picturing a black skirt. I don't own any skirts, at least none that fit. I have this.
And it's too big. This also doesn't go with this. It makes me a waitress if I wear it with that. And I keep that skirt there because I don't know. I like to hang on hope with clothes. But it's too big, so why have it? And I have a high waist, so most skirts that are high-waisted are still too short on me. Like, yeah, it goes from my waist to my ass, but it shows my ass at the same time because it's not high-waisted enough. A mini skirt? No. My waist is up here, bitch. That's not gonna work. Oh my god, what would I wear with this? I don't even like jeans anymore. I stopped wearing jeans like 100% because they're just pissing me off. I got these brown trousers like 2 years ago. Because I thought they were kind of fancy. And as you can see, the labels are still on them. How much were they? £24. £24. It says tight fit, flare, Edie's chocolate. Size 8, £24.99, £25 actually. Never worn them because they were like a little tight, and that was just enough for me to say no. Also, what would I even wear with them? I don't even have shoes to... That's me ejecting poison. I'm not done talking about this top. I made this from a children's dress that was on sale for £3. And I wore the dress, and it fit me as a dress. It was for like 9-year-olds, and it fit me perfectly. And I was like, I don't want to wear this dress. Look, I need like something to break the silhouette. Not just like a full pattern dress. What am I, a child? A 9-year-old? They should have... No, anyway. So I cut it into a top because I was just in a crop phase. I had to crop everything. High-waist crop, and I'm over that. I don't know if I am over that. I think I'm over this top right now. Unless I find something that will match it on the bottom. But all I have here are jeans. What do I even have? What do I even have? I have these, and I wear these a lot because they're loose and they're comfortable. But they have this fucking, like elastic ruche waist. And it's very unflattering. I thought it would be flattering because it like pulls you in at the waist and it like flares out a little bit. But no, it's very unflattering. It makes me look like I have zero shape. It detracts from my shape because the waistband is kind of thick. So it does the opposite of what it's intended to do. And I got it for like really cheap at Poundland. Same place I got this top. And no, wait, I'm not done talking. I got my favorite top at Poundland too. Once again from the children's section. It's that black top with the rounded neck. I can't find it. I don't know why I thought I would be able to find it. I have a purple version because it came in two. It was like a set of 2 for like £3. And here's the lilac version because I thought lilac was my color for a little while. I don't know why. But it's not. Or maybe it is. Let's try it. Let's try it. No, I have to find bottoms for this top. No.
Why do I own these?
I'm so scared. Hiding crew? No, I'm here with the Ninja Turtle. Hiding Ninja Turtle. I don't get it. Mess with me. All right, calm down. Everybody just calm down. All right, let's just cut the crap, okay? I know you think I'm dumb. And you can get on CC and make fun of me all day long. I'm not going anywhere.
A whatever summer outfit. Like, oh, it's summer. Let's party. This is me partying. I'm kind of cold and hungry.
Things will go and we're gonna have a big problem. Or you just knock this off and let's be friends, okay? So who opened up with life-saving jacks, huh? Don't jam!
So there's this fucking top that I kind of like, but I kind of hate. I don't know how I feel about it. I think I don't know. I hate wearing it. It's the sleeves. They're like too long and they piss me off. And the top's too long and it pisses me off. Something about the material pisses me off. And your clothes shouldn't piss you off. Have I ever watched this? Ooh. Like, this just isn't who I am. It's like something a 14-year-old. It's something a 14-year-old in 2007 would wear. like a bunch of bracelets, you know? It makes me feel sad. Like, I'm looking at myself right now and I feel sad. But I like it, which doesn't look good on me. But I like that it's kind of baggy, because I don't own a lot of clothes with like long sleeves that are kind of baggy. But it's not flattering. I mean, it kind of is, like, on my body, but not on the top, you know, it just looks bad. I think it's the neck, I'm not sure. Is it the color? I don't know what it is. Why do I dislike it so much? Is it because it's long? I don't know. I don't know. This is so difficult. This is so difficult. What if I tuck it in? I wouldn't wear it with these anyway. I'd wear them with darker bottoms. But then that's like enforcing the idea that I'm a 14-year-old and it's 2007 and I'm kind of emo. Ugh. No, nothing fits me in the waist and it pisses me off. I don't like belts, but I gotta wear them with every fucking outfit. That's why I basically stopped wearing jeans, because it pissing me off. Fuck all y'all. I'm Olsen twinning this shit, because once again, I'm like kind of obsessed. I'm like kind of obsessed. Oh my god. Come here. Wah! Say hi. Good girl. Werewolf bar mitzvahs would be scary.
What?
How do you feel about these pants? They're like, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck's going on here? Like, what is it, the 60s? Is it the 40s? I don't even know what era these are. Do, do. They're so loud. Like, I guess if I was somewhere and it was really, really, really very cold, and for some reason I needed like loose leather pants. And they're heavy too, they're like really heavy material. Like, what is this? How do you style these? Why do I have these? Oh, okay, I know why I have these. I have them because the color was bright.
And I don't really own. I just wanted to get like experimental with my bottoms, because all I had were like jeans, you know? All I had were jeans or shorts, and that's why I got these things too, just to like try things out. And also they were a fiver, and because the waist was fitted, and I don't own a lot of things that actually fit me in the waist. But I don't know how to style them. Like, you can't even put things in this pocket. It's not that it's small, it's that I'm pretty sure if I put something in this pocket, it would like just ruin the whole shape of the pants. And this isn't a real pocket, by the way. It's not that they look terrible. I'm just scared of them. I'm scared to move in them. I'm scared to break them. I don't know where I would wear them, why I would wear them. They're very loud. I feel like it's just not me to wear something that's loud. It's very embarrassing. It's like, oh yeah, I'm here. Do you hear that? I like very casual clothing, something that's very, very comfortable, and these are like kind of the opposite. Not that they're uncomfortable, but they're not very flexible because it's literally tight leather. Not tight leather, but you know what I mean. There's friction. There's friction when I move.
Ain't the queen of cats and dogs?
Raining cats and dogs.
Makes no sense. I don't see the queen of England running around with a cape and British people stapled to it. When is the last time you heard somebody say, hey, you know what's sexy?
Shut up, bitch. Sorry.
Joey, this is not working.
I have these pants that I like, but they're kind of, once again, too big in the waist. I bought these little like clip things that like, you know, you put in and it's like closes. It's like a belt thing, but no belt. You know what I mean? Anyway, they kind of make me feel and look short because they're wide. But the material is very thin and they're easy to move in and they're wide. But sometimes I feel like I can't wear these because they draw attention. It's like I'm going to the store in my wide pants and I look like I'm going to a business event. A weirdly formal business event. But I also like them because it's like, it feels like I'm wearing a dress. But you can't do that in a dress, can you? You can't go, you know? I can run in these, can't run in a fucking dress. People think dresses are so free. No, bitch, they're restricting.
Ew, I'm so free. I'm wearing a skirt.
It's the opposite of freaking bitch. You can't even bend over.
Here's the lilac top. I'm starting to hate this. I think I'm gonna stop. This thing right here. I like the graphic on it. I don't like how it fits and I don't like the bronze, but I do like that shade of blue. But that's not enough. I gotta get rid of it because it's so unflattering.
Opinion? Nice. Look at all this. So filming at this angle is a possibility, but the screen like isn't pointed at me, so I can't see what it looks like, so mixed results, you know. I can't be certain what I look like. So I don't like using this lens. Anyway, the next item of clothing. First of all, this hat. Am I Mary Kate Olsen yet? It's too big. It's way too big. And this jacket. I don't like the feel of the material of this jacket. Energy. Also, it's like a little too big. I know it's meant to be oversized, but even in like oversized terms, it's a little too big. It could be oversized, but be a size smaller, you know? I look like a child. It's not even facing me. Oh, watch me dance, dance the night away.
I love my dog. My Ochichi. My Ochichi. Come here, Ochichi. Come here.
I just do too much shit, and my room's too small, and I mess it up, and the carpet's a fucking tip right now. But why would I hoover whenever I've just got all this shit lying everywhere? Drop it? Drop it? Ah! So just clear everything off the floor then, and then vacuum, even though I've got all this shit everywhere. And after I deal with all my clothes, there'll be more mess on the floor because there'll be little pieces of fluff everywhere. That's fine, whatever. Shoe's still going strong. That's a little reference. A little callback. This is how she prefers to sit. Even though I'm pretty sure it's very bad for her back. I try to get her to sit straight, but she doesn't. She's just a little creature.
Fixed price class means your costs stay the same for the duration of your contract, giving you better control of your business energy costs. Visit flowgasni.com today. Flowgas, energy for everyone. Terms and conditions apply.
One time, our banksman nearly got hit by an HGV.
One time my order always fell off his trailer.
One time the girl failed on a time hanger. One of our employees was paralysed. Next time could be the last time. To in Northern Ireland. Acknowledging that your business follows a safe system of work that protects everyone. Extra danger out. Search HSE Worldwide Workplace Transport.
We love that Travel Money. It's shopping in New York. It's thousands of lessons, but what's happening is early. Travel Money is more than currency. It's the currency of treating yourself. And a great rates. A prepaid Travel Money card. Click and collect in over 450 branches. And home delivery. No holiday memories in expert hands. Stylish sofas. Smelly down. Savings on luxury pillow top mattresses. Or enjoy cozy dinners around your stunning new dining set. With flexible finance and our helpful interior design service, you'll find everything you need in store and online. The Ocean Sale at Easy Living Interiors. Watch your world Hollywood Exchange and Riverside Hotel.
Good evening. The United Nations Secretary General has been to the required crossing between Egypt and Gaza, where each trucks are at a standstill. Dr. Richard Brennan from the World World Health Organization says the situation is becoming extremely serious. I think we can confidently say with the poor functioning of the healthcare system now, we've got at least 7 hospitals now out of 34 that are non-functioning according to the Ministry of Health. An incident at the home of Northern Ireland's police ombudsman is being investigated. It's emerged West Midlands police have been asked to examine the allegations of the property of Marie Anderson in County Down last month. A spokesman for the PSNI said officers attended the address at around 6:30 on the evening of Saturday, September 23rd, following a report of a domestic incident. A third person has died as Storm Babbitt continues to batter the UK. A man in Shropshire was caught up in fast-flowing floodwater. 2 people have died in Scotland. Thousands of ex-soldiers from Northern Ireland can now get support on a range of issues such as mental and physical problems for a new specialist team. It comes as the Veterans Welfare Service in Ireland was officially launched earlier. Our reporter James Gould has more.
The service is described as a one-stop shop for any guidance veterans need after leaving the military, such as advice with financial issues.
And it's a top 2 battle in the Irish Premiership tonight. That's Leader Linfield go for second place Cliftonville.
This is my favorite fucking song on the video.